this is a core component to what we're trying to get done here.
How I thought of it was another thing that I need to do.
The very first couple moments of it, I was thinking like, boy, is this really where I wanted to be right now?
I wasn't real big at first. I wasn't sure what I was going to take from it.
In the 30 years I've been with the organization, there have been a lot of different training programs and things we've tried, and to sustain those programs is what is very difficult.
We said, hey, this might be a program that could really help us unleash the potential in the company.
It's no way this is going to work. It's no way. It's impossible.
We did a kind of a self-assessment to see where are the areas that we are focusing a lot on.
You know, our intention is to create a most admired company.
But when you looked at our results, whether it be customer satisfaction surveys or even financial results, we were middle of the pack.
My surprise was how defensive the style of leadership was.
I think there were several surprises. When you look at are we leading with fear? Is there passive aggressive behavior?
It was really the limiting belief and having to come face to face with what were some of those that I had, even didn't know that I had them.
There are people who call specifically to say, how can I get into that training program?
What I really liked about it was that it was facilitated by Schneider Associates.
What I've been really impressed by is how the facilitator, along with the material, when you think about video, say, how would that work? Well, it's actually quite powerful.
When I heard that your subconscious kind of makes you act the way that you believe yourself to be, then I knew that I had to change the concept of my self-image so that my behavior would follow.
One of the biggest takeaways for me was the sarcasm and the negative effects of sarcasm, and I've completely eliminated it out of my management style.
The exercises that people go through are a lot of fun, and where they get their aha moments.
I would say most people felt the training was one of the best training sessions they've had in their careers.
This training is valuable because I've seen it in real people.
You know, moving from an organization that had a lot of command and control type leadership style to one where we want to unleash the potential of the associate.
Used a tool that was a personal circumplex called the Leadership Impact Analysis that I found to be extremely useful.
Really through the circumplex and the feedback, I found out that I really put my agenda on others.
You know, when the mirror pops up and you say, wow, I didn't realize I was doing that, you know, those can be difficult.
I think it causes people to step back and just say, what am I not seeing in this situation?
It's caused me to take a look at the way I lead. It has made me much more aware of the things such as negative speak.
Now it's like, you know, if bad stuff happens, I need to look and see, okay, how can I change this and make it better?
I think it gives you an empathy for other people that you may not have had before.
It's probably the best feedback that I've ever gotten. Very comprehensive and very actionable.
This is not about being soft, but it is about being direct. It's about being open and honest. It's about assessing things as they are.
And we measure volume in terms of loads per day, and we've gone up 27%.
We've had several business areas have dramatic year-over-year turnaround in business results.
We reduced our total preventable accidents and crashes by over 12%. We reduced our potentially severe crashes by over 50%.
For years, our department was, for the most part, 70-80% inexperienced driver hiring. We stand today 100% experienced driver hiring.
We were given 25 different awards by our customers for our performance. That's the most that we've received in the last 20 years.
We were reaching out 500 times a day to our customer base asking for business or freight opportunities, and today we're in that 3,000 time per day range.
We're currently at 100% and we're planning on staying there.
We're on the path to greatness because of some of the changes we've made.
We are Schneider, and we are going to take market share and be the industry leader.
Here we are 2.5 years into the journey and are still as committed today as we were 2.5 years ago.
You have to think it before it can actually be so.